Hello boys and girls, in this video we are going to be going over our numbers, our trimester 1 numbers, numbers 0 through 10. So as I said in the other videos, you can use this video for days that you might not have somebody to help you practice as much time, or parents if you would like some assistance on how to go through these flashcards. So here we go. And these are not in order, so it's a little trickier. So what number is that? What number do you see? And say it right out loud. That's the number 5. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's number 5. Good job. Okay. How about this number? That's the number 4. Can you say 4? Good job. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. What number is this? That's the number 9. Can you say 9? Good job. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you still have one finger down. That's 9. Good job. Here is the next one. How about this number? That's the number 6. Can you say 6? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's 6. Good job. Okay, here we go. What number is that? Good. That's the number 8. Can you say 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Okay, here's the next one. Say it right out loud as soon as you know it. What number is that? Good, that's the number 3. Say 3. 1, 2, 3. How about this number? What number is that? Good, that's the number 2. Like 1, 2. What number is this? Good, that's the number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 fingers. Good job. Here is the next one. What number is that? Good, that is the number 1. Ready? Here's an easy one. Ready? 1. Just one finger. Good job. Alright, here's the next one. What number is this? That is the number 0. 0 fingers up. 0. And what number is that? Good, that's the number 7. Can you say 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's the number 7. Good job. And that is all of our trimester 0 through 10 numbers. So great job. Talk to you soon.